Use questioning as a method to learn. English tenses. Part 8 of 10. Question number 1. What tense describes an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future? Answer: future continuous tense. Examples: at 8 p.m. tonight, I will be watching TV. Tomorrow at noon, she will be having lunch. This time next week, we will be flying to Rome. On Sunday morning, they will be playing golf. He will be working all day tomorrow. Question number 2. How do you talk about two actions that will be happening at the same time in the future? Answer: future continuous tense, for both actions. Examples: I will be cooking while she is studying. He will be listening to music as he is driving. They will be talking while the children are playing. She will be working while her husband is sleeping. We will be waiting while the plane is landing. Question number 3. What tense is used to ask politely about someone's future plans or to suggest an activity? Answer: future continuous tense. Examples: will you be using the computer later? Will she be joining us for dinner? Will they be staying long? Will he be coming to the party? Will you be working on Saturday? Question number 4. How do you describe a future action that is expected or part of a routine? Answer: future continuous tense. Examples: I will be going to the gym tomorrow as usual. The sun will be shining brightly at noon. She will be attending the conference next week. They will be arriving around 3 p.m. He will be having his regular meeting. Question number 5. What tense indicates an action that will continue for a period in the future? Answer: future continuous tense. Examples: I'll be studying all night for the exam. She'll be working all morning. They'll be celebrating all weekend. He'll be driving all afternoon. We'll be traveling all next week. Question number 6. What tense is used to talk about actions that will be happening around a specific event in the future? Answer: future continuous tense. Examples: when you arrive, I will be cooking dinner. When he calls, she will be sleeping. When they get here, we will be watching a movie. When the show starts, the audience will be taking their seats. When the sun rises, the birds will be singing. Question number 7. How do you describe an action that will be happening, but you don't know the exact start or end time? Answer: future continuous tense. Examples: I guess I'll be working late tonight. She'll probably be sleeping when you call. They'll be celebrating somewhere. He'll be traveling for his job. We'll be having fun. Question number 8. What tense shows a future action that will be longer than another future action? Answer: future continuous tense, for the longer action, and future simple or present simple, for the shorter action. Examples: I will be showering when you knock. She will be reading while you prepare dinner. They will be watching the game when we arrive. He will be preparing for his trip as you leave. We will be driving when the sun sets. Question number 9. What tense suggests an action in the future that is part of a plan, but without focusing on the beginning or end? Answer: future continuous tense. Examples: I will be taking the train. She will be presenting the new project. They will be discussing the budget. He will be teaching English. We will be traveling through Europe. Question number 10. How do you refer to future activities that are part of a trend or common occurrence? Answer: future continuous tense. Examples: more people will be working from home in the future. Technology will be changing rapidly. The climate will be getting warmer. Scientists will be discovering new things. Children will be learning differently. Like, comment and subscribe.